कोई बात नहीं, निकालो निकालो निकालो, जोमेटो की चलाओ। हाँ निकालो ये, हाँ निकालो, ये रख दो, इधर रखो। नीचे की लोअर भी निकालो। चलो हाँ चलो, धन्यवाद। जय श्री राम।
When we think of bullying, we often picture schoolyards and children. But bullying doesn't stop there. It can follow us into adulthood, into workplaces, social settings, and even online. Bullying can take many forms. Verbal insults, exclusion, undermining someone's confidence, or constant criticism. It's subtle at times, but its impact is significant. In today's digital age, cyberbullying is another harsh reality. Anonymous messages, public shaming, and online harassment can make even the strongest feel powerless. At workplaces, bullying can look like micromanagement, exclusion from important decisions, or persistent intimidation. It's more than just bad behavior. It's a toxic pattern that affects productivity and mental well-being. Religious bullying is another painful reality. It can take the form of mocking someone's faith, pressuring them to conform, or discriminating based on their beliefs. For those targeted, it creates a hostile environment, forcing them to either hide their identity or constantly defend their values. No one should feel ashamed or unsafe for practicing their faith, or choosing not to. The consequences of bullying are deep. Anxiety, depression, and loss of self-esteem are just the beginning. For some, it even leads to isolation or impacts their physical health. So, what can we do? Start by recognizing the signs. Offer support to those who are struggling. A simple, "I'm here for you" can go a long way. Education and dialogue are essential for breaking down stereotypes and fostering respect. If you're a target of bullying, whether it's at work, online, or because of your beliefs, know this: you're not alone. Seek support from trusted friends, HR departments, or professionals. Standing up for yourself is not easy, but it's a step toward reclaiming your peace. Bullying doesn't define the bullied. It defines the bully. Let's create a culture where respect and compassion are non-negotiable. Together, we can end bullying, including religious discrimination,